folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. Today I finished my monster chess set.
Barb Makes Things!
This is the fourth and probably final video for this chess set. The first one was making the board out of upcycled veneers. The second and third were modeling and printing all the different pieces for it. In this last one, I'm gonna add some color, finish it all up. After printing that fourth dragon that I'd forgotten to do, I laid them all out and sprayed them silver. Smart aleck friend walked by and said, "Hey Barb, you got a problem. Half of them are supposed to be a different color." Oh no, if only I was planning on doing another coat of paint after this one. My intention was to have a silver set and a dark metal set where you could still see a little bit of the silver color. At first I tried to accomplish this with acrylic paint and a dry brush technique, but it wound up having a messier texture than I wanted. So I added a little water. Paint on a coat, dab a bit of it off, repeat. More of that black remained in the recessed spots, which was a good look. Takes quite a while to do several coats on 16 pieces, but I got there. Now time for just a little bit more color. I've been watching Game of Thrones a lot lately, which is a big reason that I went with dragons for the night pieces. I wanted to make one of them black and red like Drogon, so I chose red for the black set's accent color. Everyone gets red eyes. For the silver monsters, I thought, what's the scariest thing to go up against for a dragon? How about White Walkers? So I gave them blue eyes. And the blue eyes actually do look a little creepy. If I were to do this again, I might add a crown to the king piece. In fact, I might do that still. I will be uploading the STLs, so you can download them and make them yourself. Make sure to follow me on Twitter and or Instagram, because I'll be posting the link to the STLs on both those platforms. If you liked this video, share it with a friend. If you didn't, share it with an enemy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.